Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper, because today's newspaper we have no newspaper on Sunday. Yes. So I've decided to continue with the puzzles of the Saturday edition. Saturday, January the 15th, 2022. We have one puzzle left in the additional, and it's a tectonic with 1 star, and this will be a number 398. Oh no 3990. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Alright, for a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Do we have any single box? Yeah, it's already filled in. Yeah. Then the dual box then. Here we have a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order. I need more information, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also a dual box. The 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Alright. Triple box then. Do we have any triple boxes here? Yeah, triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 2. 1 and a 2. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. Here, a quadra box. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. More quadra boxes? No. Here, quadra box. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Then, yeah, no quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or construction or figures, structures, whatever you name it. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Alright. Here we have that shape. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same name as that box. Okay. This box has the same name as that box. Do you have more of this kind of shapes? Let me see. No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright. Here we have this shape. If you see this kind of shape, this box has the same name as that box. Okay. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this here. Yeah. Alright. Okay. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. You have more of this kind of shape? Yeah, here. Oh, overlook this one. It's rotated. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Yeah, this is a number 2 figure. And this box is connected with that box. So also 3. Here, another one, rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Alright, here, another one, the third one. Wow, this box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 5. Okay. More? No. Then, I think this will be the last shape, the Z or the S figure. Yeah, let me draw this here. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Okay, so this box has the same name as that box. But also, that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same number as that box. Okay, so we have here 4 figures, shapes, construction or structures that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? Well, the following step, then it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. Well, these two boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place the 3 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. But we already have a 3 there. So it's not a solution to place the 3 here. The 3 is supposed to be here. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this corner box should be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2, the 1 and the 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also the 1 and the 2. This box is also connected with that box, should be the 1 and the 2. Okay, so 1 box left in this area, we have a pair, the 1 and the 2. Okay. Alright, 1 and a 2. Then. How about, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box cannot be a5. That box cannot be a5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 2. Alright. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Well. Let me think. I need a 3 in this area. So 2 boxes left, 3 there or 3 here. Well, I forgot to place the 2 there because this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. A 1 box left in this quarter box for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 2. Okay. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here, so it's not a solution to place the 1 here. The 1 is supposed to be there. 2 boxes left in this Z construction or S construction for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. A 3 and the 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 or a 5. Well, these 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here or there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3. And this box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Same for the 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1 and that box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. Alright. That means that this box cannot be a 2. Because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. That means that this box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well, this box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any one in one of those two boxes. So here, this box can be a 1. But also, that box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any one in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 2, and that box should be a 1. Okay, these 3 are boxes surround the 2, can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Yeah, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. A 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Okay. I've marked those two boxes with a 1 and a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Yeah. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? We have a double 4 there. And can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those. 1 and a 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. These two boxes can be a 2, so these two boxes can be 5, so the 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. So we also have 5. 1 box left in this Z construction for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These two boxes can be 3. And those two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Okay. Yeah. I've marked those two boxes with the 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. Okay. 1 and a 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can... Oh, I've marked those two boxes with the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Two final numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes. Told you. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. I have also a playlist for the tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the quintuplet, the killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. And we will meet again. Yes, tomorrow on Monday. Another day, another edition with a lot of puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.